Safety and security are two important concepts that are often used interchangeable, but they have distinct meanings. Safety refers to the absence of hazard caused by natural forces or human errors. It's about protecting people from accidents, injuries, and illness. Security, on the other hand, refers to the absence of hazard caused by deliberate intentions of humans to cause harm. It's about protecting people from threats like terrorism, crime, cyber attacks. Safety preparedness is about taking steps to ensure safety before, during, and after an emergency or natural disasters. This includes creating a family disaster plan. This plan should include what to do in case of an emergency, such as where to meet, how to contact each other, and what supplies to bring. Number 2 is practicing the disaster plan. Regularly practicing your disaster plan will help your family know what to do in an emergency. Building a disaster supply kit. This kit should include essential items like food, water, first aid supplies, and a flashlight. Preparing children. Children should know how to respond to emergencies and how to stay safe. Learning CPR and first aid. Knowing these skills can save lives in an emergency. Eliminating hazard in the home and workplace. This includes removing tripping hazards, securing furniture, and storing chemicals safely. Establishing multiple family meeting spots. Having multiple meeting spots will help your family reunite if you are separated. In an emergency, having a family communication plan in place. This plan should include how to contact each other if you are separated. Making sure everyone in the family carries an ICE card. An ICE card is a card that lists your emergency contacts. Making a go bag for everyone in the household. A go bag is a bag that contains essential items that you will never need to take with you if you had to evacuate your home.